Shut up and sit down.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Being Anonymous. In this video you are going to learn how to enable superuser in Kali Linux or other Linux distribution. Open a terminal window or just simply press Ctrl+Alt+T to start the terminal. To become root user, type sudo s and press enter key. When prompted, provide your password. After successful login, the $ prompt would change to hash to indicate that you logged in as root user. Exit from sudo session of root user. Type exit and press enter key. That's it. Whether this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comment section.